I say be careful what you teach your little children. Make sure I know something to hurt them.
Welcome to School Zone. I'm Tamara. Now behind me is a group of students, of course, who are shopping. What are they shopping for? Well, today is supermarket day at the Norman Gardens Primary and Junior High. So come, let's find out exactly how this behavior modification program is working.
Be a good student, do my work, behave, help my teacher, clean the classroom. Yeah, so I'll get points and they transfer to money, so we'll just come here and shop.
In what is considered an inner city community, the school's flagship behavioral program, Supermarket Day, has been turning heads. It's gaining recognition as a creative and strategic program to improve the academic and behavioral standards of students while bringing positive transformation to their wider community. But how can shopping in a school supermarket create change?
We have a set of criteria in terms of if the child does homework, they might get 100 points because we're having difficulty in that area too. If for PTA, our PTA was very dormant, so to encourage parents to come out, we gave points when parents show interest and come to the school, they attend PTA, the children also get points for that.
At the same time, they are made to recognize that as you earn for doing well, there are consequences for negative behavior and action.
So if a child is in a fight, they will lose maybe 25 points. If you're suspended, they might lose 100 points, and so on. And at the end of a period, we add all of that and we deduct. So they end up with a final score.
The Norman Gardens school community is excited about the initiative. School Zone experienced that excitement at the official launch of the shopping extravaganza at the end of the school's term. What did these youngsters gain from spending their hard-earned printed cash?
Macaroni, mackerel, rice, Lasco, Milo, oil, flour.
Wow! So what's it going to do with all of that food?
Give money for her to cook it. Rice, oil, and sugar, macaroni, and biscuit, and Milo, sardine, cheese chicks, and biscuit, and macaroni, and rice, and flour, and cornmeal.
The Ministry of Education has taken note of this ingenious behavioral modification program and has high praises for its practicality.
I feel most encouraged. It shows that the school is innovative, starting out as a program for behavior modification in which students are rewarded for good behavior, but is that expanded into something much greater.
Greater indeed, as the program has been helping not only the students, but to a wider extent their families, helping to cater to their needs and allowing parents to save on grocery purchases. Norman Gardens Primary and Junior High School is making a difference with the help of corporate sponsors like Grace Kennedy.
We have a general slogan that whatever is good for Jamaica is good for Grace Kennedy. And here is a community that is focusing on a very positive program.
So what impact has Supermarket Day had on the students?
Great, because it encourages students them to behave properly in school, in class, earn their points to come and shop.
No doubt, this very unique program is changing and transforming the lives of the students while reaching their parents and the wider community. Quite effective.
We want to change something, and when we change the behavior in school now, and we appeal to that part of the children, that inside part of them, that will cause them to be better citizens. It's our country that's going to benefit in the long run, isn't that so?
Supermarket Day at Norman Gardens Primary and Junior High School has been truly a great initiative and no doubt a wonderful behavior modification program that we commend. Tune in next time for more on School Zone.